you're gonna need some like a cleaver or a chef's knife to really get through to the bones and stuff like that. This is my chicken only cutting board. It is about 20 years old, solid piece of wood there, you know. So now what you're looking for is down here is the legs of the chicken, and you're gonna notice where that sort of loose skin is there. We're just gonna give it a cut like so, and then you're just gonna pull back until you hear a snap. Well, we didn't hear it that time, but all we're gonna do, and you'll notice that's where the hip bone connects to the backbone there. Hey, that's a rap song, isn't it? All you would do is just cut along that, and you've got chicken leg with the thigh, and we're gonna get to that in a second. I'll just repeat the process here. So you just want to just a cut there, pull back until you can snap that bone, and just cut straight along the sides of it. So another chicken leg with the thigh. Now this is the chicken breast here, and these are the wings on both sides. What I like doing is flipping it over so the sort of the neck area is facing me, and then what you want to do is along the bone, along the back here, just give it a cut until you can expose the wing bone where the wing bone connects to the backbone. And all you would do is cut between that bone, and you've got the wing. We'll repeat the process here. Just a cut like that, and just between the bone. Notice we didn't have any bones to cut through, we went between the bones. Now you'll be left back with the chicken breast as well as the chicken back. So what I like doing is holding it open like that and running my cleaver down the side and repeating it. Probably looks disgusting on camera, doesn't it? But so now we've got the massive chicken breast here and the back. Now in the Caribbean, in North America, people use this for making stock. We put that in our stews, in our curries, everything. So let's get to the chicken leg now. So to separate the thigh from the drumstick, all you want to do is look, there's going to be like a layer of fat that you're going to see here, and you're going to use that as a guide to know where the two bones, where the sort of leg bone connects to the thigh bone. And all you would do is go down, and you notice I went between both bones. So I've got my drumstick and I've got my chicken thigh, and I mean to say, you know how to pull skin and fat off there, so we won't trouble ourselves with that. Now with the chicken wing, if you want to separate into the drumette versus the chicken wing, where we have that sort of a V here, that V area, all you would do is slide the knife, or in my case the cleaver, down the middle, again between both bones. And as far as the wingtip goes, I do not like cooking it. I just discard that. So I've got my wing. I'll show you one more time with the wing. So down where we have that V, we're going to go down the center of it and just let the knife do its job. Drumette, and then we've got the wing. Actually, let me just hit you that one more time with the drumstick as well as the thigh. So there is that layer of fat that I'm talking about, and all I'm going to do is with a sort of a sawing motion just go between both of them, and we've got the chicken thigh, chicken drum. Now here we go with the chicken breast. Skin side up. I'm going to put that skin side down now, and you're going to see the sort of cartilage in the middle here. And all you want to do, well, I usually go down with force, and I can pop them, separate them into two chicken breasts. So if you have a Chinese cleaver, all you would do is put it in the middle and just go down, cutting the bone in half. And there we go. We've got one chicken breast, two chicken breasts, and the bone. Now in the Caribbean, how we usually do it when we're making stews and curries and stuff like that, we would cut this up now into several pieces, into pretty much serving size pieces, so maybe about 2 inches big. So there's one piece, two pieces, 3, 4. So there you go. That's how we would cut it up for making stews like Jamaican brown stew, Trinbagonian stew chicken, curry chicken, and then all you would do is just remove the fat and the skin and stuff like that. So there you go, friends. Actually, I'll show you what we do with the back as well. What we usually do with the back is, this is the sort of tail part of the chicken, where the tail feathers are. I get rid of that because that's a lot of fat there. And I like grabbing the sort of skin here and just pulling back, and with a sawing motion with my cleaver, just remove all that skin. You can go back and remove all that fat after. Flip it over, and then the sort of, I'm not sure how you call this, but where the two hip bones meet here, down the center. And it's that simple. One more time with the chicken breast. Skin side down. And this is just the way we would do it when we're, like I said, making stews and curries and stuff like that. So pretty much bite-sized, well, serving-size pieces. Chris here, Caribbean Food FAQ. Well, you can head over to Caribbean Pot if you want recipes using this chicken.
What's up, soldiers? Don't forget to click subscribe. If you've already clicked subscribe, hit that bell notification thing. I want to all you missing out on the new videos, man. Come on, click.